Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows multiple ovarian cysts. Now you can see this is urinary bladder, and now you can see all the three cysts seen in this case. Right ovary has one large cyst, while the left ovary has two large cysts. Most ovarian cysts are small sacs filled with fluid in the ovaries. These are called simple ovarian cysts. If your doctor finds an unexpected cyst or enlarged ovary during a pelvic examination, you should have a vaginal ultrasound to assess for cancer. Ultrasound is usually the first imaging modality for assessment of ovarian lesions. Imaging features of simple ovarian cysts are anechoic, intra-ovarian, or exophytic. Now you can see this is the large ovarian cyst, and you can see it also has a small daughter cyst. Now this cyst measures about, you will see the measurement in the later half of this video, and it measured about 5.2 centimeter into 4.7 centimeter. Complex, complex ovarian cysts are those that contain either blood or solid substances. Simple cysts are relatively common and usually clear on their own. Complex cysts are more likely to need treatment. Most ovarian cysts are benign, meaning that they are non-cancerous. Now again you can see the large right ovarian cyst, and this cyst has a small daughter cyst. Both endometriosis and PCOS can cause fertility problems. Most ovarian cysts are not cancerous, but complex ovarian cysts raise the risk of ovarian cancer. Now you can see the daughter cyst also inside the large right ovarian cyst, while the left ovary has two ovarian cysts. Most often, imaging tests like ultrasound or MRI can determine if an ovarian cyst or tumor is benign or malignant. They may also want to test the blood, the doctors or your physician, the blood for CA125, a tumor marker, or perform biopsy if there is any question to confirm or rule out ovarian cancer. The biopsy may be needed. Now you can see all the three cysts. These are the two left ovarian cysts. Now as far as the treatment is concerned, functional cysts normally shrink on their own over time, usually in about 1 to 3 months. If you have a functional cyst, your doctor may want to check you again in 1 to 3 months to make sure that cyst has gotten smaller or gone away completely. Most simple ovarian cysts are not harmful. Complex ovarian cysts such as dermoid or cystadenomas can grow too large. This can push the ovary out of place. It can also cause a painful condition called ovarian torsion, which means that ovary has become twisted. Complex ovarian cysts may need further treatment. 5 to 10% of women need surgery to remove an ovarian cyst. Your doctor can remove large or complex cysts that appear to be cancerous with traditional surgery. They can then test the cyst to see if it contains cancerous cells. But fortunately, most ovarian cysts do not require surgical removal and are not caused by cancer. Cysts can vary in size from less than 1 centimeter to greater than 10 centimeters, that is 4 inches. Now, both the left ovarian cysts measure, the larger measures about 4.6 centimeter into 3.7 centimeter, and the smaller left ovarian cyst measures about 3.5 into 3.5 centimeter. Thanks for watching. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.